Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw Knuckles.exe punching something and kind of like an action-oriented scene. It's going to be really fun and easy, and if you love, basically anything Sonic or Knuckles, you're going to love this video, okay? I'm going to color it at the very end, so stick around till the very end. It's a very short video, maybe like 8 minutes. I think that's even with color, so let's do it, okay? Hey, let's get going, huh? Knuckles.exe punching. So I'm gonna start with a fist, because he kind of has like one hand. So I'm gonna start with one. All right. Gonna go over here and start with just the spike. Looks like a lesser than sign right there. It's gonna be one of the spikes on his hand, on his glove. Draw a straight line down into the other spike, kind of. Alright. Got a curve over here now. Curve. And then that's going to be the thumb of that glove, alright? Gonna go up, over here, down for that glove. Curve underneath for this side of the glove. Alright. Out. For the cuff of the glove right here, out over here, curve. Right on, right? I love Knuckles, EXE. I love like everything about Sonic related. So, before I draw his arm, I'm gonna draw his head over here, his mouth. So I'm gonna draw his from maybe, it doesn't matter how high you do it, but around here. Curve underneath the bottom of the mouth. From here, pull straight back. I'm gonna draw and I'm gonna curve over here. Go over here, right there. Okay. Curve underneath, up, and then now I can draw the arm going back. Okay. Tip of the nose is like a triangle, although I think EXE has a little bit more of a rat nose thing, sticks out a little bit. I'm gonna go and draw the mouth, which is gonna be kind of liquidy, so it literally looks like circles right here. See that? Circle, smaller oozy circle, smaller circle like this. Literally is like that. It looks like goop with the Matrix mouth or something is opening up. I'm gonna go over here, fill that out, and I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna give it a curve right here for the eye. Up, down, and then I'm gonna draw a circle right here, a long thin circle. Line up for the front of the head and line over here for the other side of the brow. Over here for this brow. Curve. Okay. Doing good so far. Gonna go draw the arm on this side, but the arm is like cut off. So it's gonna be like straight line, zigzag here. It looks like a straw, like a broken straw. Go back here. Curve down, back. Knee, back. It's got thin line right there. Thin line for the legs is all tubes. All right. If you draw anything Knuckles, he's all like entirely made of tubes. And then now we're gonna go over here and draw his tendrils, right? Back here's the back of his head. Then we're gonna go over here and draw like a wiggle a little bit. Back. Wiggle a little bit here. Back. A little bit of a wiggle here as well. Back. Maybe one down here. And then maybe one in the back here. Right there. Right on. So let's go over here to the sclera, which is the dark, the white part of the eye, and fill it in, because this is, remember Knuckles.exe here. Is that how you pronounce it, by the way? Am I messing it up? Somebody tell me if I'm pronouncing it right. Is it Knuckles.exe, or is it Knuckles.exe or something? Somebody please tell me. Alright, line back here. I'm going to draw mostly a square right here for kind of the anklet of the shoe. Down. For the bottom of the shoe, down over here, like an L shape. Out over here. Then we're going to draw an extra for the sole there, right? Line over here for the top where the laces are. Line for that other area. Line over here. Same square area. Out for the shoe. That same loaf of bread looking. It looks like a loaf of bread with like another line underneath it. Square for the top of the shoe there. Line. Alright, and then we have the tail over here. Kind of kinks a little bit, but not much. And let's draw another tendril down there, I think. I think that'd be a good idea. So he's going to be punching into something. What are we going to make him punching into? Maybe like rocks, right? That'd be kind of cool to have like rocks flying over here. So just draw like a Lego piece. I don't know. Like you can just draw one behind the other. Just any random shape like that. And it's going to look like, you know, there's action going on. And then draw one behind the glove right there. This is more or less just a random block shape. And then I want you to go over here and on one of these shapes and draw another thinner line on there, like it has dimension right there, you know, it has like actual dimension to it. Alright, and that is Knuckles.exe punching. Alright, I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, hit the share button. Share this anywhere on Twitter, on Pinterest, on anywhere you share it, Reddit, doesn't matter where you share it, as long as you share it. It does a great help for the channel, for support, and I hope you enjoyed that. Oh, I forgot one last thing, the insignia. He has the insignia right here. Thinner line up here. You got that insignia. Talk to you next time. Okay, I'm gonna color this right now, so stick around for that. Maybe a line right here for where the palm is. But yeah, definitely hit that like, and I'm gonna jump into coloring. It's gonna be speed coloring, so let's watch. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.